First, you open a new folder. Second, insert the media file or document you want into the same folder. I am typing my details like this because of the newly added PowerPoint. This is how we start. You first open a text document like I do. After that, rename the name of this text document as Locked Folder. Put a full stop at the end of the name. After the full stop, type TXT. Then open the text document. Copy the snippets of text used in the details column. Enter your password here. Then go to Save As. At the end of the name there, type BAT and save. Set the Save As type to all files. After that, you can see that a file like this has been created. Double-click this file and you can see a new file called Locker is created. Put the document media file you want to lock into the newly created file. Delete the old Word document, but remember the password well. After that, double-click on this file. Type the letter Y in the command that appears and enter. So no one can access this file. Check carefully if the files I made in the beginning are still the same, whether they have been damaged. I have succeeded in my work. Everything I have included is fine. If this video is good, if you got something important, then definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any problem, leave a comment. I really appreciate your support. Have a nice day. Thank you.